Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making a smoky rosemary chermoula sauce. It's fresh, zesty, smoky, and takes plain food from meh to most wanted in just minutes. Here's the thing, too many people think plant-based food is boring or that it takes forever to cook, but this tasty sauce breaks that myth. It's fast, bold, and packed with health benefits like vitamin C, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Toss the ingredients into your handy-dandy food presser. Toss in 1/2 cup each chopped cilantro and parsley leaves. I love the smell of fresh herbs. 2 whole peeled garlic cloves. 1 teaspoon each chopped rosemary, grated ginger root, and lemon zest. Just remember to zest your lemon before juicing. It's way easier that way. Pulse until finely chopped, depending on the food processor that you're using. Otherwise, just throw all your ingredients in at once. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, smoked paprika. The smoked paprika gives that deep campfire flavor. Add 1/2 teaspoon each salt, ground coriander, and chili flakes. Pulse a few times until well combined. Slowly drizzle in 6 tablespoons, that's 1/4 cup, plus 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and process until the mixture forms a thick, spoonable paste. The rosemary adds an unexpected flavor here, providing a nice rustic hint. This tasty little sauce turns plain veggies, tofu, or grains into flavor fugitives that you'll be chasing down to the last bite. Here it is, rosemary chermoula sauce. That flavor is outstanding. Smoky rosemary chermoula sauce is dangerous in the best possible way. To all my fellow veggie outlaws, this is how we outlaw bland food. If you're into plant-based recipes that are simple, bold, and full of flavor, stir up that like button and subscribe. Looking for more ideas? Head to veggieoutlaws.com and grab a copy of Veggie Outlaws' Most Wanted Vegan Recipes. Or sign up for our newsletter where we share new recipes every week. Veggie Outlaws, more flavor, all plant-based. We're outlawing bland food one recipe at a time.